A quick update as to my progress and journey with Baracuda, right? Definitely a game changer platform here. Basically, what it means is that you have access to a website to rent a trading robot and linking that robot to your Binance account to have automated trading take place there, guys, right? So, quick update today is the 1st of the 10th, 2024, and it's almost a month I'm with Baracuda. And for the price, guys, it can't go wrong, you know. They have the $10 subscription ending today. So if you happen to look at this video before it ends, you could actually look to get into that particular subscription. Right. So Barracuda currently have a spot trading robot, right, that links to your Binance account. And I wanted to show out some updates as well regarding the seminar or the webinar, I should say, that took place by a leader as well. His name is Mr. Maxim here. And he basically they do webinars in Russian. So, you know, it's a difficult task for me to have it translated to the English, but I am trying to do my best to see you know how much knowledge I can obtain through my experience with the robot itself so I could break it down to you all. So a little strategy I have obtained within the time spent with Barracuda, right? So the robot trades on Binance, right? So they trade on Binance. They have a lot of popular crypto pairs available. They have well, let me just tell you all this. The Barracuda bot strategy 520. It used to be $300 to get into this particular strategy. You could get into this strategy like $150, 200. That is what we have working for us right now. So when I create this strategy, remember, if you looked at my previous videos, there's 4 steps in getting started, guys, right? First step is signing up with the link in the description for Barracuda. Second would be creating an API from Binance to Barracuda that is to link the robot to your Binance account. And the third step would be buying a subscription. Right now they have the $10 package available, which is going to end today. If not, you could consider the light. There's a $30 package available. You could trade up to $3,000 in your Binance, and you could have 3 active bots, meaning you could trade on 3 active pairs that the bot supports, of course. And the fourth step and final step is creating a strategy so that the bot could work, right? So you can look at that for now. We're gonna just look quickly at some of the pairs supported. You have a lot of popular pairs. You have over 26 pairs to choose from. What you could do, and this is what I did. Again, this is based on my experience with the platform. You could write down all these pairs here, have it into your Binance account, right? You basically, what you could do is bookmark it, bookmark these pairs. All these pairs here, you notice that the bot supports these pairs. I try to get in with opportunity with the lowest in terms of looking at the minus state, right? Right now you could see it have QIUSDT or even there's the dogs USDT. You could get in because it is at a really low stage here. So you see what's happening here. The bot is already having orders in place. But something you can keep in mind as well. Look at the time you basically look to get into the trade activating the bot and write it down, guys. If you got in at 520 strategy at minus 15.87, that is the price basically within that scope. You activated the trading bot. The reason why I'm telling you this because when it's time to secure your profits, right? You could also get it on the trade history. If you go to trade history and this after you activate the bot, watch out how many orders already went in play here. You could basically go and see like when was the first buy order placed, the price, look at the price 2.50. You could pull it up in the chart and that will give you an idea as to where you activated the trading robot. Because what I'm gonna tell you now, you're gonna see, right? You're gonna check this, guys. You're gonna see on your Baracuda site, on your account, you're gonna see your profits, the bots accumulated. What you wanna do is you have the option, right? You can leave it let it accumulate now that you know the price that you got in. If you want, you could stop the bot. You could stop the bot here. But if you take this box, it's gonna sell the coin, which in this case is dogs, at the current market price. So for you to get your profits reflected on your Binance account, always make sure that the current trade, because real-time trading is basically in a positive state. You don't want it to be in a minus state, and it must be above the price you got in to operate the bot, right? To really accumulate those profits that the bot accumulated, right? Or acquire, I should say. So that's a little tip you could keep in mind when getting into a pair. Again, it's just based on my experience. And when that time comes and you stop the bot, you simply go back to Binance, you go to the coin and make sure it's on a higher price. You go to market where you see spot. And this is what you do here, guys. You sell the dogs coin that you have currently to obtain your USDT route into the profit zone, right? But again, it's based on the profits it pulls on the robot. And that's the only way I see it fit right now for you to secure your initial profits earned from the trading robot that is. There's strict risk management, guys. And I just want to pull up quickly some updates that was basically mentioned into the Russian webinar on the 26th of September by Mr. Maxim. And he laid out some of these key advantages of using the trading robot. It's automation, most importantly, and I always tell you guys, it's with Binance. Your cash is more safer with Binance. I mean, it is cryptocurrencies. The risk are there. Always invest money that you could afford to lose at the end of the day. And it stays in your Binance account, which is good. So there is automation. These are some key advantages here. Bots operate based on predefined algorithms and stuff. Efficiency bots work 24/7. Yeah, we know that. I just want to pull up my history just to show you guys what's happening here based on some of the stuff I activated during the weekend. So during the weekend, I was just, playing around testing because you could stop bot, start bot within your subscription. It doesn't affect your subscription. Use different coins and stuff just to see how it's working. And as you can see, Wi-Fi USD. I say Wi-Fi, WIF, USDT, right? This particular pair, I earned $3.23 profits using the 520 strategy. But again, guys, to get this profit reflected on your account, remember the graph would show you if you hold it for a day or two, the area that you got in, you want to make sure it's higher when you stop the bot, right? Because that's how you're going to accumulate your profit earn. So keep that in mind, guys. If you stop it on a minus, you wouldn't really get the profit in your Binance account reflected. So the graph could assist you in that. You could see that in the graph here. And this is just to show you. I just test it out, see how it's working. And so far my account isn't blown. I mean, at a break-even stage because I'm in a testing just to make sure, yeah, I try to get some accurate information in terms of how it really functions, right? So keep that in mind. The bots seems to be working okay because again my account is not blown, and it's a great way to really get involved with cryptocurrencies, right? So that's back to the information that was laid out. Risk management, but reduce chances of errors when entering the market, wrong asset purchase. I can tell you the risk management is there because, I mean, I have not seen any major minus figure in my account. Once I stop it near to the entry in terms of where I bought into, I show in Binance just now or above, to accumulate the profits into the Binance account. So main times of bots, we only focusing on the spot trading robot, and also keep in mind there's no take profit levels. So again, that's why you would in a way just look at the percentage based on the coin. Because remember, cryptocurrency is highly volatile, movements we're talking about. And if you go back into some of these coins, you're going to see a lot of coins moving, a lot of them into the pullback stage or, the selling zone, right? So you have a lot of miners here. The dogs USDT, you could see it is at a minus 16.19. I got in the dogs using the bot, right, at -8. So for me, I will have to wait until it increases into a positive state, and then I could try accumulating some of the profits that the Baracuda bot earn. All right. So just to complete some of the information on the summary here, this PDF file here, right? So bot strategies 520. This is a wider grid, 5 sell orders, 20 buys, can handle up to 15% drop without resetting the grid. If you have the capital, guys, and you want to use the 520, it's a better way to gain some more faster results compared to the 210 strategy. 210 is like a different type of strategy compared to the 520. They do 2 sell orders, 10 buy orders. It can handle up to 7% drop, right? Working on the crypto markets, they a lot of information. They have the affiliate training and support. Um, a lot of information in this PDF here, right? Difference between 520. This is just an explanation here. As you can see, it's indicating 300 here, but you could actually get in at 150, $200 into the 520. And you have the 210 strategy. You could do 150 if you want as well. So risk and importance about but the stop losses are there still, I should say. There's a possibilities that it's the crypto markets, all kind of stuff could happen. So pay attention to that information. They have a Telegram channel available, right? It's called the Baracuda Trade. You could always reach out to me directly for that link to get into this news channel. A lot of important stuff comes out here occasionally, I should say. Again, most of these languages is in Russian that comes out from the main Telegram channel. I mean, they try and send to the English side, but I only through my experience I could share, guys. That's all I can say. Only through my experience I could share. So based on my understanding so far, try to get in at a minor stage in the percentage side if you're choosing a pair with the bot, and give it some time, guys. Although you activate a strategy, give it a 2 days, 3 days. And once you see it goes into a positive state, that is the time you could stop the bot to let your profits accumulate to your Binance. But remember, stop it at a positive rate, not a negative, especially not below the price you get into using the bot. That is, the bot is working. I mean, look at this, guys, right through. Looking for opportunities here. So if you're looking for automated system, definitely Baracuda is an option to consider. You could check the description for a link, for a sign up link. This is just a quick update. With my experience using the bot from Baracuda. And guys, remember, you could come in with $30 and give the system a trial.